Smart Science! I've got a great science tip here for you. What do you do if you have a dent in your ping pong ball? I'm gonna show you something. What you need is a hot water. I've done it earlier. Pour it into a bowl. Remember, hot water is dangerous. You might want to ask an adult to help. And put it inside the water. Now watch this. The water heats up the air inside the ping pong ball. This causes the air to expand, popping the ball back into shape. Look at this. Perfect!